Slot sculpture. Materials: paperboard, construction paper, black permanent marker, markers, scissors to use with a grown-up's help. Optional materials: cardboard, snack box, crayons, paint, ruler, pencil. Fine paperboard. This paperboard came from a package. A snack or cereal box can also be used. Construction paper is another great option. Cut out shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles. Trim the edges of the squares and rectangles and add a slot in the middle of each edge. The slots are created by making two cuts next to each other, cutting out a small slither. The shapes can be connected to each other by the slots. Repeat the process creating the shapes until 12 to 15 are created, or as many as desired. More slots can be added to the rectangles if needed. The sculpture can be transformed by adding and removing the individual shapes. Remember to cut out circles too. Add 4 slots evenly around each circle. Use markers to decorate the paperboard shapes. If no markers are available, paint and crayons may also be used. Using a black marker on the white paperboard provides a sharp visual contrast. Both sides of the paperboard shapes can be decorated. Construction paper can be used if paperboard cannot be found. With the construction paper, only one cut of the scissors is needed to create a slot. Now you have a slot sculpture. Thanks for watching! Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@home.